Nothing new, but more new highs. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bub's Daily Update for Monday, February the 8th. And, of course, this update is brought to you by our partners at Family Farms. And, of course, our partners are there to help us educate farmers and bring more to their dollars than they can now. And, of course, it's our job and our wish to help them increase their own revenues. In the meantime, of course, the markets continue to work their way higher. All right, again, new highs once again out of nowhere. And of course, that's why the economic data means nothing. That means that nothing means nothing. Okay, it's just follow the path of least resistance, and you will find yourself with a much better opportunity for success if you continue to try to fight it and predict the tops of markets. In the meantime, we reversed early this morning and are long across the board once again. And look, at the end of the day, okay, we will be there until we're not, and then we'll be reversed. But right now, we are once again long across the board. In the metals, they were lower, they were higher. Now they're working out pretty nicely. Platinum looks like it's going to take a shot at taking out 7-year highs, which obviously we're long. Silver is higher. And of course, gold is higher as well. And we're short gold, long silver. So, we'll see. Like I said, I am telling you that I give you certain levels to watch. But we don't make changes until the algorithm changes, and that's really what it comes down to. Bonds and notes are lower, but not much. I mean, they were much lower, but have made a nice dramatic recovery. The copper is higher once again, although we are short copper now. Nat gas is higher. We are long it. And the dollar is now a little bit lower as we are long it. It was higher. Now it's lower. Again, this is not an unusual circumstance to watch in markets. That is why you just let them trade and not get emotional during any short period of time or any short burst or whatever. The grains are exploding higher. And, listen, it's not a surprise. We're long all but soybeans, okay? But of course, I've said here before, we expected them to rally and we expected to get a reversal on soybeans eventually. And obviously, we'll probably get it now. But again, this should not be as a dramatic surprise that these are moving higher. This is what we expected because this is what the path of least resistance continues to be. And every dip right now should still be looked to be bought. The meats are a little mixed. Feeder cattle is lower, hogs are flat, and fat cattle is higher. Again, I think they're setting up, as I've said before. So we'll see how they play out. And of course, the softs, cotton, higher, and we are long. OJ, higher, and we are short. Coffee, flat, and we are long. Sugar, higher, and we are long. And of course, cocoa, lower, and we are short. Look, at the end of the day, okay, just follow the path. Be disciplined. Let the markets dictate to you what should be next. Okay, shouldn't be us guessing. It should be us watching the tape and the price action. In the meantime, don't forget about our brokerage partners. And of course, I do have other brokers, but for my preferences for futures and commodities, I use the CTG Group. And of course, they are phenomenal at what they do. Great customer service. The only authorized vendor of our letter of direction trading. And of course, they trade my accounts. And they have some great new managed futures products. For equities and options, it is Tradier. And of course, it's $10 a month. Great customer service. Free options course. And we have their APIs, which are going live this week to automate if you choose to. That is, again, your choice. And of course, our commodity report with Andy Hecht. You want to check it out? It's technimental at BUBBATrading.com. You can certainly get last week's copy if you'd like to check that out. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That is patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And if you want to compare the markets to anything, compare them to Tom Brady, because the path of least resistance for Tom Brady is to win. And once again, he won his 7th Super Bowl. We had little opinion in the game. And of course, it was too hard to call, but as it looked like now, it should have been an easy call. In the meantime, be careful. Don't try to outsmart the market. Have a great day. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody.